Hello, little friends! Today we want to talk about a very important and beautiful topic, reading the Quran during the blessed month of Ramadan. Ramadan is a month when God gives us the opportunity to get closer to Him. One of the best things we can do during this month is to read the Quran. The Quran is a book that God sent for our guidance, and it is full of beautiful and instructive stories. Now, let's think about how we can dedicate a little time each day to reading the Quran. For example, before going to bed or after breaking your fast. Even if you read just a few verses, it's really good. My dear friends, when you read the Quran, try to understand its meaning as well. If you have any questions, be sure to ask adults so they can help you. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever recites one verse from the Quran in Ramadan, it is as if they have completed the entire Quran outside of Ramadan." There is a very beautiful verse in the Quran. In Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 185, God says, "The month of Ramadan is that in which was revealed the Quran, a guidance for mankind." This means Ramadan is a special time for reading and understanding the Quran. Well, my little friends, I hope the animation helps you become more friend with the Quran and encourages you to read it more during Ramadan. Remember that every time you read the Quran, your heart becomes brighter and happier. Until next time, goodbye.